There were acrobatics going on behind the camera here.
Good morning, everyone. We're here on the nature trails at the Sternberg Museum, and we're coming to your home live. It's a little bit windy out here, so we'll try to talk loud.
It is a blustery, well, it's not blustery, it's breezy.
It's a Winnie the Pooh blustery kind of day.
It's not gray, it's sunny.
Kind of day.
Kind of day.
Anyway, we thought we'd come out and take a look under a couple of our cover boards and see what we could find.
Hey, where are we?
We're on the nature trail.
Nature trail.
Howard Reynolds Nature Trail.
There's the dome. So, our nature trail. There's Reese.
There's lots of traffic on the interstate.
Yeah, we're just parallel to the interstate, so you'll have to forgive the noise.
The flowers are starting to come up.
Oh, look at that. I'm going to actually come around this side so my shadow doesn't get in the way. There's my darling daughter Hannah out here helping us today for a chance to get out of the house. All right, let's see what we got under here. Oh, look at that. What is that?
That is a beautiful ringneck snake. As you can see,
He's shy.
he's shy, but there's a ring around his neck. A nice orange ring.
Oh, he's little.
He's a little guy. Oh, you want to think he's little?
Oh my goodness.
How about this little guy? So this gives you, oh,
He's wiggly.
he's very wiggly, but look how tiny he is. And they're very cute. So compare that to this guy over here, who's a little bit bigger.
Yeah. There are a whole bunch of them out here. Look at that.
Oh yeah, there's a bunches. There's
They're all like, yikes.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is the biggest one. And look how beautiful they are. They, on the top, they're just gray with a nice pretty orange stripe. But if you flip them over, they may be yellow and they get more orange.
Very cool.
And sometimes you'll find ones that are much more orange all the way across instead of yellow.
I assume they eat bugs and stuff?
These guys will eat like worms and things. So they might eat some bugs and they'll eat some worms or slugs or anything they can find that's small enough for them to eat.
Cool. So that's what's living under here.
Let them get back to their peace and quiet. On this rock we have some clams living.
Living clams. A snapshot from about 80 million years ago. Ah, this looks like a chunk of sandstone. All sorts of stuff out here. All right, let's see what we got.
Spider.
Hello, spider.
It's a freaky looking spider.
Freaky spider. I don't know. All right. Up we go. Oh, look at that. We got more. Another ringneck.
It's a day for
a
ringnecks.
whole bunch of them. It's like, run away, run away.
That one's bigger than the last one.
Yeah, he's pretty big. Or she.
There's thing sheddings.
Oh, there's some sheddings, yeah.
This guy's even a little bit.
There's a whole bunch of them. Look at that.
I'm genuinely so scared that
This one doesn't have as much color underneath it. So you can see there's a lot of variation in the amount of color under the ringnecks.
Cool.
Whereas this one's more orange.
You're okay.
I'm genuinely so scared that the spider's gonna crawl up on the other side.
Oh, this one went down into his hole.
Oh yeah, they're going down into the hole.
Burrow a little bit.
Run away, run away.
There's also a millipede or something.
And there's right here.
Oh yeah. All sorts of stuff in there. Cool. Well, let's wander around and see if we can't find another one. I'm sure there are more of these around somewhere.
Oh, look at these guys are. So it's definitely ringneck day.
Ringneck day.
I'm scared it's gonna bite me.
It's not going to bite you.
His mouth is far too small to be able to bite you.
Well, that's cool. A lot more critters than the last time I was out here. We did not see our skink. The last time we had a big old skink out here. Yeah, it's a good day for that. So we're gonna go try to find another slab of wood to look under and see who's living under there. Hello. All right, we got another potential neighborhood of critters here. All right, what awaits us here?
See if our luck continues.
See a whole lot of action happening. A lot of bugs. There's some bugs. Ah.
There's a freaky looking spider thingy.
A freaky looking spider thingy. Yeah. There's that. Well, no vertebrates that I see.
Of course, there's about the time that they should be getting out and being active. Let's go to at least one more place.
All right, one more. Might be a bit of a walk.
But it's a beautiful day for a walk.
It is a great day for a walk. It's a great day for a walk if you're not a 16-year-old teenager.
I'll just see if we can have a look over here. We have so much noise from the interstate, but one of the things we're in the process of, we planted a whole bunch of hedgerow, Osage orange trees.
They're spiky.
And they're spiky, but we've got a whole double row of them. So, 30 years from now, we'll have a nice hedge that will help.
When we're in our 70s or 80s, we can
come back and have a nice, quieter look at
We'll be at the retirement home over here, and we can.
Hey, we got one over here.
All right, let's go over here. See what we can see. It's just a nice day for exploring. It's interesting because there are some areas that are not very windy, and then some areas that are super windy. So, all right, let's see what's hiding under this one.
Nothing here today.
There's that.
Again, lots of bugs.
There's another one of those freaky spider things.
But you can see a bunch of little
Yeah, you can
trails
see the
under
burrows.
here. So these are places where there have been some snakes or things living here. They're just out because it's a time of day to go out and find some food.
Yeah, must be breakfast time. So our first couple were really lucky, but
That is kind of cool to see all the different
yeah,
burrows.
you can see the burrows. So we know there's been action here. All right. Well, there we have it.
The excitement. At least it's really just a ringneck holiday.
It is. It's a jolly holiday with ringnecks.
I think it's the bigger snakes are out here in this part of the trail, and they're all out having fun.
Ringnecks are the snakes that you love.
Go over here.
When ringnecks are around, something or other, something.
Cannot be found.
Oh, there's a couple. All right, cool. All right, so let's see if we can't bother some more critters here
And pick up some garbage.
and pick up some garbage while we're at it. All right.
Are we ready?
Not much happening.
Sometimes your first board is your best board.
In this case, that's true. All right, do we have anybody here? Hello?
Something large was here.
Oh, there's this, I saw a snake.
Where?
It's hiding under this bunch of, he was just in there. I saw it.
Which way did he go?
He went under.
That's a skink.
Oh, is it a skink? Did you get the skink? Ah! There he is. There's our skink.
Hey, skinky.
He's like, oh my gosh.
A Great Plains skink.
It's terrifying.
There we go, buddy. It's okay. See?
Yeah.
Nobody ate you.
I'm out. I'm out. So that's our skink. He was just chilling and we bothered him. Very cool.
He's a cute guy.
Hi, dude. All right, I feel complete now.
Oh, look, he's got some colors on his side. You notice that at all?
Yeah, he's got some good speckles going there. Hello, skink.
Beautiful little guys. Great Plains skinks, very common out here.
He's like, oh man, what are you? All right.
Okay, buddy.
Back to sleep you go. Oh. And just gently. There we go. Ta-da! So, snakes and a skink. Perfect. All right. Well,
There you go. We've got lizards and snakes.
I feel accomplished today. All right, well, that was our adventure out on the nature trail today. We got to see some skinks. We saw the elusive Hannah. Not a lot of people have seen them out in the wild lately.
Thanks, elusive Hannah.
Thank you for coming out.
We appreciate it.
Did somebody flip over your bedroom and like wake you up this morning? No? Okay. All right. Well, as always, we're going to ask you to like and share our live feeds. And I don't know if we're going to do an afternoon live feed today because, funny story, I broke my internet because I was sawing tree limbs this weekend and I accidentally sawed a tree limb that took out our internet line. So I have to meet the internet people and get my internet replaced this afternoon. So I will not be doing a live feed. So I will be back tomorrow.
There's always tomorrow.
Always tomorrow.
The sun will come out tomorrow.
All right. Until tomorrow, we will see you soon. Bye-bye.